Store-bought plant hangers cost $20 to $30 each, but you can make a professional-looking macrame hanger in 20 minutes for just a few dollars in rope. Here's exactly how. Step 1. Gather 4 pieces of cotton rope, each 6 feet long. Fold them in half and tie a knot at the top, leaving a 2-inch loop for hanging. This creates 8 working strands. Step 2. Divide the 8 strands into 4 pairs. Create square knots by crossing the outer left strand over the 2 middle strands, then the outer right strand over them. Repeat this pattern down the rope. Step 3. Make 4 rows of square knots, spacing each row about 1 inch apart. This creates the net pattern that will cradle your pot. Keep tension even so the hanger hangs straight. Step 4. Gather all 8 strands and tie another knot at the bottom, about 2 inches below your last row. Trim the excess rope evenly. Insert your pot into the hanger and adjust the fit. Pro tip: avoid using synthetic rope. It slips and makes knots come loose. Stick with natural cotton or jute for a secure hold. What size pot will you hang first? Drop a comment below. Follow Sikho for more DIY home projects. Visit Sikho.ai.